Today we are only going to do the second part of our phonics lesson. So we are going to need our phonics journal or a whiteboard. Grab one of those two things, and then come back and let's get started. All right, this week we have been talking about, or last week and this week we've been talking about the H brothers. And remember, we've talked about 4 H brothers so far. We have talked about Chuck, Chuck. We've talked about Wit. We've talked about Theo and Shane. Now, we know that our brother Wit is a digraph, which is 2 letters that make one sound. They make a new sound. The digraph WH says sound, right? Now, we are going to learn about a new WH brother today. Now, just like the WH digraph, 2 letters that make one sound, we have another digraph this week, and our digraph is going to be PH. These letters, P and H, when we see them beside each other, they transform and they make a new sound. They make the F sound. Say that with me. F. F. Okay? We're going to say the sound and point to the digraph 3 times. Ready? F. 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 All right. So we know now that we know 3 ways to make the F sound. 3 ways. F says F. FF says F. And PH says F. Okay? Let's look at a little bit more about our talkative Phil. So Phil is our PH brother. Phil was the talkative brother because he likes to talk on the phone. He is usually talking to his best friend F because they always get mixed up because they make the same sound. Some other words you might hear Phil talking to F about are phone, phase, alphabet, graph, phonics, trophy. So all of those words have that PH digraph in them. You'll notice PH can be used at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or the end of a word. So PH is very versatile and can be anywhere in the word. Okay? Now, let's write some real words. Remember, this week we're working on WH, and PH. So if we hear those sounds in our words, we need to think about how are we going to spell them. All right, so our first word that I want you to write is graph. Graph. Let's pound it out. Graph. 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 Here's a hint. We should have 5 letters. Graph. Graph. Did we spell the word G-R-A-P-H? Graph. Good job. All right, let's look at our next word. Oh, just kidding. Our next word is whale. Whale. Like I saw a big whale in the ocean. Whale. Now that has our sound, but it also has our magic E sound. All right, so think about it. Whale. This one also has 5 letters. Ale. All right, we have W-H, ale, with that magic E at the end. Very good. My next word is when. When is it time to go? When. When. We have that W-H-E-N. When. Very good. My next word is Phil. This is a name. Phil. Think about it. Phil. 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 We have that capital P because it's someone's name. PH. Good job. My last word is white. 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 My board is white. White. This one also has a magic E and a digraph. W-H-I-T-E. White. Very good. All right, let's move on to our sentences. We are going to write 2 of them today. One of them is going to practice our phonics skills. The other sentence is going to practice our red words, okay? So here we go. Our first sentence is, Phil will watch the whale whiz by. Phil will watch the whale whiz by. Phil will watch. Phil will watch the white whale. The white whale whiz by. Whiz by. Phil will watch the white whale whiz by. Whew, that was a long one. All right, if you haven't finished your sentence, pause your video because we're fixing to check it. Here we go. Phil will watch the white whale whiz by. That's a lot of those. But we also had will and watch. Those don't have the like. So Phil will watch the white whale whiz by. Okay? All right, here we go. Here's our red word sentence. Are you ready? He gave you a very big bite. He gave you a very big bite. He gave you a very big bite. All right, if you're not finished, go ahead and pause it. And here we go. He gave you a very big bite. All right, let's look at our red words for this week. Here we go. Our first word is gave. I want you to use your finger and write it on our table 3 times. Here we go. G-A-V-E, gave. G-A-V-E, gave. G-A-V-E, gave. Good job. Word number 2, pull. There we go. With your finger. P-U-L-L, pull. Next word. P-U-L-L, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Very good. Our next word is both. Here we go. B-O-T-H, both. B-O-T-H, both. B-O-T-H, both. Good job. And our last word for today is goes. G-O-E-S, goes. G-O-E-S, goes. G-O-E-S, goes. Very good. All right, let's review all of our red words for right now. Here we go. These, use, many, which, does, first, made, very, gave, pull, both, goes. Very good job today, guys. I will see you in reading groups later.